Hello everyone, let's have a look at how to add free shipping for orders over an amount in WooCommerce. Go to the settings inside the WooCommerce tab. Here you can go to the shipping tab and edit shipping zone. Edit free shipping. Here you can set minimum amount required for free shipping. Now go to the free shipping bar tab and set free shipping discount. Let's have a look at the front end. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.